Okay, hello, my dear students. Thank you for viewing our previous video or all the videos that we have. If you haven't watched it yet, you can check it in my YouTube channel, Teacher Gwapo, and then you'll find my playlist, videos for grade 2 students. Okay, so previous week or previous days, we learned already how to measure the length in meters and centimeters. We learned how to compare the length. We learn how to solve the word problem involving length. So this time we will learn how to measure the weight, and we will compare, and as time permits we will learn a lot of things this time. Okay, are you ready? If you're ready, watch this video. Okay, once again, good afternoon, and we will learn in chapter 4 about measuring weight. This is a new lesson that we will have today, and we will learn new words, and we will discover like new things today. Okay, now here we go. It's time for math, and once again I would like to remind you to fill up and submit your attendance form. I hope everybody did. Okay, so we are 57 now in the class, so I hope everybody submitted the attendance form. So once again, my name is Teacher Gwapo. I'm your math teacher in grade 2 MEP class. Okay, so today we are in chapter 4, and we will learn about weight. Okay, we will measure weight. So this is the book that we are using, or I mean the textbook, and this is the workbook that you have there. And as I've said, we are done already in chapter 1 and chapter 2, and previous days we discussed chapter 3, which is about length, measuring length, comparing length, and we solve word problems on length. And this time we are in chapter 4, which is about weight, and we will learn measuring weight at this time. And then by next meeting we will learn about how to compare weights. Okay, so these are the objectives that we have in this chapter. So first, we have to measure and read weight using kilograms and kids. I want you to know that the word kid is only used here in Thailand, not in other countries. Okay, only in Thailand. Because in other countries, instead of kid, they use the word hectogram. Okay, hectogram. So maybe later or maybe next videos, I will post the words so that you will remember. Okay, again, the word kid is only used here in Thailand, and that is the thing that we are going to do this afternoon. Okay, so second one is to compare weights in kilograms and kids for this chapter, and number 3, to solve word problems involving kilograms and kids. And of course, we must know how to apply the things that we have learned about weight in our daily lives. Okay, so this is the one that we are going to do this time. Okay, my weight is 28 kilograms. And then the other boy said, oh, I weigh 3 kilograms less than you. So that means 28 minus 3. So the boy's weight is 25 kilograms. So these are the words that we must remember today, or you must know at this time. Okay, here we go. First word, light. Okay, what is light in Thai? Alinta.
Bao.
Bao, very good. How about the word heavy? Base. What is the word heavy?
Nặng.
Not. Very good. Very smart. Do you still remember the word that you learned when you were in grade 1? How about the word lighter? 10.
Bao quà.
Bao qua. Wow. How about the word lightest?
Bao thi sụt.
Bao tisut. Wow. So smart. How about the word heavier?
Nặng quà.
Nakwa. And the last word that you must know this afternoon or this time is the word heaviest. Prim, what is the word heaviest?
หนักที่สุด
Naktisot. Oh, very good. Thank you so much. So again, we have the new words here. Light, lighter, lightest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Everybody, I want everybody to unmute your microphone and let us read these words all together. Okay, everybody unmute your microphone.
Okay.
Ready? Light, ready, go. Light.
Right.
Lighter. Lightest.
Lighter. Heavy.
Heavier. Heaviest. Again. Light. Again. Light, lighter, lightest. Ready, go. Light, lighter, lightest. Next. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Okay, very good. Very good. Don't forget these words, okay? Don't forget these words. Light, lighter, lightest. Bao, 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 tisot, right? In Thai. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Nak, nakwa, nak, tisot. Now, who is the heaviest in your class? Who is the heaviest in your class in 2/1? Who is the heaviest in 2/1? And who is the heaviest in 2/2? 2/2. And in 2/3, who is the heaviest? Maybe you know already who is the heaviest. And who is the lightest? Who is the lightest? Okay, now you know your classmates, so you know who is the lightest. Now, the name of the heaviest man in the world is John Brower. So this is the name of the heaviest man in the world. Okay, he was born in September 29, 1941. Where? In Washington, United States. Okay, Washington, USA or United States. Okay, but he's dead now. He's dead. Now here, the heaviest woman. Who is the heaviest woman in the world? Her name is Carol. Okay, Carol Ann. She is from Michigan, USA. From Michigan, USA. And who is the heaviest boy? Oh, this is the heaviest boy that we watched a while ago. His name is Arya. Okay, Arya. Arya is the heaviest boy. But now, he is not the heaviest because he undergo the surgery. So this is his face before and this is after. Okay, so don't forget the words. These heaviest people, John Brower, the heaviest man, and the heaviest woman is Carol, and the heaviest boy is Arya. Okay, Arya, can you see it? Wow, very big. A lot of food inside this tummy. There's a burger. There is fries. Right? Okay. Now, since today we will learn in chapter 4, measuring weight, let me share to you and let us have some review. When you were in grade 1, you learned how to compare numbers, right? Okay, now review, compare the items in each set and fill in the blanks. Okay, we will fill in the blanks. Now here, letter A. The blank is lighter than the blank. What is your answer? The blank is lighter than the blank. Okay, anyone from the class?
A lighter is heavy than carrot.
Okay, lettuce. It looks like lettuce. It looks like cabbage. So I just use here the word cabbage. So if it's lettuce, you can say lettuce. It's okay. But it looks like cabbage. So I put here cabbage. Okay, never mind. Okay, we can call it cabbage or lettuce. Okay, but this one, I'm very sure it is carrot, right? Okay, so let's say this one is cabbage. Let's say, for example. So the carrot is lighter than cabbage. What is lighter in Thai? Again, lighter.
bao quả.
Bao kwa. Okay, bao kwa. How about letter B? Letter B. Letter B. The blank is heavier than the blank.
Cabbage is heavier than carrot.
Okay, the cabbage is heavier than the carrot. Thank you. The cabbage is heavier than the carrot. Okay, it's only a review, don't worry. Okay, so that's it. What is heavier in time? Base. What is heavier?
Nakwa.
Nakwa. So the cabbage is heavier than carrot. What is it in Thai? The cabbage is heavier than carrot.
I don't know what cabbage means, so I will pass. There are so much kind to call, and I don't know them all.
Okay, let's just proceed. Let's just proceed here. In number 2, we will use the marbles, okay, and a balance to find the weight of the apple. So this is called a balance scale, okay, balance scale. So the weight of an apple is equals to how many marbles? One apple is equivalent of how many marbles?
3.
Okay, 3 marbles. So we write just 3.
This one don't have in the book.
No, this one is not in your book. Don't worry, it's just only a review. It's just only a review. Now here, letter B. How many marbles?
1 marble. 1 marble.
Okay, 1 marble.
Teacher,
One.
I know. No book.
Okay, 1 marble. You cannot find this one in your book. Okay, now let's proceed to the next one. Let's proceed. Here we go. Okay. Here, we will fill in the blanks. Each marble stands for 1 unit. Okay, 1 marble stands for 1 unit. Now here, letter A. What is the weight of the mango? How many units? So we'll just count here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means 4 units. Okay. Here, how about the pineapple? How many units is the pineapple? Pineapple, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many marbles? How many marbles? Anyone from the class?
7.
7 marbles. 7 marbles. Okay, 7 marbles. So we write here 7 units. Now here, letter C. Letter C. Which fruit is heavier? The mango or pineapple?
Mango.
Mango. Why? Why mango?
Pineapple. Because the pineapple is like shorter than the mango.
Okay, because
I don't know.
pineapple has how many units? The pineapple is 7 units, right? 7 units. So we say that the pineapple is heavier. Okay, pineapple is heavier. How about D? Which fruit is lighter? Which fruit is lighter? Which fruit is lighter? Which fruit is lighter? Mango or pineapple?
Mango.
Mango. Okay, the mango. The mango is lighter. Okay? Which fruit is lighter? It's a mango. Okay, it's a mango. Now, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Now, let me, sorry. I'm sorry. Let me move the, okay. Now, you know, my dear students, in shops, different kinds of weighing scale are used to measure the weight of the objects, right? You can see when you go to Tescalotos, when you go to macro or in a market, you will see different weighing scales that they use to measure weight of an object. And the scales differ in shapes and sizes. Some scales are very big, some is small, right? Big or small, it depends upon its uses. Now here we go. Let me show you the different tools that they use to measure the weight of the objects. Okay, so the first one, what is this?
There is spring scale.
Dial spring scale. Very good. Number one, dial spring scale. Don't forget, because I will use, or we will use this word later to answer your book. Number two. Digital.
Digital grocery scale.
Okay, digital groceries scale. Okay, dial spring scale in number one, digital grocery scale in number two, in number three, body scale. Number four, digital baby scale. When you were a baby, the doctors use this scale or weighing scale. And number five, balancing scale. Number six, electronic scale. Number seven, bench scale. Number eight, platform scale. Number nine, weigh bridge. Wow, a lot.
What is the best bridge? I don't know.
Okay, weigh bridge. Now, oh, sorry, this one is BRI. This is not BIR. No, BRI. The word, the spelling here is wrong. It must be BRIDGE, bridge. Okay, weigh bridge. Okay, this is weigh bridge. The spelling is wrong. Okay, so cross it out and then we will change this word. Now we will learn, let us learn these different kinds or tools that we have here. Okay, so what is dial spring scale? So this is how it looks like. Dial spring scale. What is the use of dial spring scale? What's the use of dial spring scale? Have you seen it?
For fruit.
For the fruits? Okay. Now, now dial spring scale, it is used to measure the weight of objects. It is commonly used in markets and grocery stores. So when you go to the market, people are using this one. Okay. Many people or the vendors using this kind of weighing scale. Okay. Now, number two, don't forget, okay, this spring scale is used to measure the weight of objects, and it is commonly used in markets and grocery stores. Number two, what is this? Digital grocery scales. Okay, and it is used to measure weigh food and groceries. It is commonly used in supermarkets. Okay, in supermarkets.
This is on top supermarket. I go and you go to Central and I see that on top supermarket.
Yeah, when you go to Central in Tops Market, you will see this one, right? Or in Tiscolotas, when you go to, if you want to buy some vegetables, you can see this one. This is called digital grocery scales. Okay, number three. Oh, you need this one so that you will know your weight. So this is called body scale. What is this for? It is used to measure the weight of people. It is commonly used in schools and hospitals. But some people, they have it in their homes, right? Alinta, do you have it in your homes? Do you have body scale? Yeah, very good. Okay, now number four. Again, what's the first one? The first one is dial spring scale. Okay, dial spring scale. Number 2, digital grocery scale. Number 2, digital grocery scale. Number 3, body scale. Body scale. Number 4, oh, when you're a baby, right? When you were a baby. So they use this one, the doctors. Okay, when you go to the clinic, when you go to the hospitals, the doctors have this one, especially those who are doctors for babies. They call it digital baby scales. Okay, so it is used to measure the weight of newborn babies in hospitals. Okay, here, number 5, what is this? Balancing scale. What's balancing scale for? Okay, it is used to measure the weight of objects like medicine and jewelry, the earrings, right? Earrings, the necklace, okay? Any jewelries that they have, they use this one, balancing scale. And number 6, what is this? Electronic scale. Again, electronic scale. What is electronic scale for? So it is commonly used to measure the weight of objects electronically. Okay, let's proceed. Number 7, bench scale. Bench scale. Bench scale, it is used to measure the weight of objects like bag of rice, heavy objects, 1 bag of rice, a sack of sugar, a sack of corn. Okay. Number 8, platform scale. Platform scale, it is used to measure the weight of animals like horses and cows. So if they want to measure the weight of the animals like horses, like cows, goat, pig, any animals, they use platform scale. Again, platform scale. And number 9. Number 9. What is number 9? We call it weigh bridge. This is how it looks like, weigh bridge. Okay. So how they will weigh the weight of the bus, the weight of the car, the weight of the truck, how they use. So how they will measure the weight? So they will measure the weight by using a weigh bridge like this. Okay, so it is used to measure the weight of trucks, cars, and different heavy objects. Okay, this is called weigh bridge. Don't forget, weigh bridge. Okay, again, number 1, what's the first weighing scale? Do you remember? Do you remember? Dial, again, dial. Oh, you forget. Dial spring scale. Again, dial spring scale. Number 2, digital grocery scale. Number 2. Let me show again. Let me show again. Here we go. Again, number 1, dial spring scale. Number 2, digital grocery scale. Number 3, body scale. Number 4, digital baby scale. Number 5, balancing scale. Number 6, electronic scale. Number 7, bench scale. Number 8, platform scale. And number 9, weigh bridge. Okay, weigh bridge. Okay, now get your workbook. Let's answer your workbook, everybody. Everybody, don't worry, I'm gonna send it to you the video. Now here, open your workbook. Okay, open your workbook on page 47. Page 47, here we go. Letter A is the lightest object. Why letter A? If we will compare A and D, A is lighter. A and B, A is lighter. So therefore, A is the lightest object here. Now in number 2, in number 2, there are 2 answers. Heaviest object, B and C. Letter B and letter C. Why? Because letter B and letter C, they're equal. Okay, they're equal here. As you can see, the arrow here pointing here, the middle, at the center. That means they're equal. So the heaviest object is letter B and letter C. And number 3, A is lighter than B. Again, A is lighter than B. Why lighter? If you will look at here, letter A and letter B, okay, letter A and letter B, A is lighter than B. How about B and C? B and C, B is as heavy as. If they are equal, you say here, as heavy as, okay, as heavy as. Don't worry, I will send it to you the video later if you cannot answer all. Okay, next, letter B, page 48. Page 48. Page 48. What is the lightest fruit? What is the lightest fruit? Pineapple, mango, strawberry, cherry. Which of these 4 is the lightest? The lightest fruit is 2, cherry and strawberry. There are 2 because the strawberry and cherry, they're equal. Cherry is lighter than pineapple, and then strawberry is lighter than mango. But if you can see here, they are equal. So we can write here, cherry and strawberry, these are the lightest fruits. How about the heaviest? What is the heaviest? Of course, it's a pineapple. Pineapple is the heaviest. Okay, heaviest, not tisot. Lightest, bautisot. In Thai. Now, number 3, the strawberry. If we will compare strawberry and cherry, they are equal in weight. So as heavy as. This is the term that we use when the fruits are equal. As heavy as. And if we will compare the cherry and the pineapple, we can say that the cherry is lighter than the pineapple. Lighter, bao lighter, bao. Okay? Are you finished? So if you are finished, we can proceed now on in number 2 on page 48. Number 2. Okay, number 2. Number 2, letter A. Number 2, letter A. Find the weight of the following in kilograms. Find the weight of the following in kilograms. Now here, the weight of the bag of weight is how many kilograms? 3 kilograms. Just write 3 kilograms. So you can see the word, spelling of the word kilogram here. K-I-L-O-G-R-A-M-S. K-I-L-O-G-R-A-M-S. Kilograms. Letter B. The weight of the bag of sugar is how many kilograms? The sugar or bag of sugar? It's 5 kilograms. This one is very easy. You will just look at the object here on the left side. So you can see here 5 kg. Kg means kilograms. 5 kg. Kg means kilograms. Next, letter C. Fruits. What is the weight of the fruits? There are 4 kinds of fruits here: pineapple, pear, apple, and banana. Okay, now the weight of the fruit is 2 kilograms. Okay, 2 kilograms. So now you're done already. Now we will use the word kids. The word kid is used only in Thailand. In other countries, they use the word kid like hectogram. Okay, hectogram. Okay, number 3. Find the weight of the following in kids. So the loaf of bread is 250 kids. 250 kids. That is on page 49. Okay, page 49. Page 50. Page 50. Letter B. The weight of the salt tin is 500 kids. 500 kids. And letter C. Letter C. The weight of a box of cupcake. Okay, cupcake. Cupcake is very easy. 300 kids. 300 kids. You can see the answer only here. You can see it here. 300. So just write 300 kids. Just copy the picture here. 300 and then write it here. Okay. Okay. Now let's proceed. Let's proceed to the next one. This one you can answer your book later because the answer here is quite long. Okay, it's quite long. Okay, in letter A, this is the example. Okay, this is the example. The example here, let me read it to you. Given below are some measuring tools, and it indicates what these measuring tools are used to weigh. Just like baby scale, okay, or digital baby scale, right? Digital baby scale, what is this for? Okay, the digital baby scale is to use to measure the weight of the babies. But the example here we have here is, what is this? Body scale, okay? This is called body scale. Body scale is used to weigh body, okay? Used to weigh body mass in kilograms. Now, letter A, let us answer letter A. Letter A, it is used to weigh food and groceries, okay? Food and groceries. What is this? This is digital grocery scale, okay? This is digital grocery scale. It is used to weigh food and groceries. Letter B. This is called balance, okay? Balance scale. Now, if you see this picture, balance scale, always remember the medicine and jewelry, okay? Medicine and jewelry. So it is used to measure the weight of medicine and jewelry, okay? That's letter B. Letter C, what is this? Okay, what is this? So it's commonly used to measure the weight of objects electronically, okay? This is an electronic scale, electronic scale. So it is used commonly, or it's commonly used to measure the weight of objects electronically, okay? And the last one, letter D. Oh, letter D. What is this for? Do you remember? This is called the weigh bridge. Again, weigh bridge. It is used to measure the weight of, okay, used to measure the weight of trucks. If you write trucks, that's correct. If you write cars, it's okay, it's correct, okay? Now, it's finished up to letter D only. And next week, okay, next week we will try to compare the weight in kilograms or kids, okay? So thank you so much for watching, my dear students. You can say goodbye to your friends now. Okay, I will unmute your microphone and you can say goodbye to your friends.
Bye.
Okay, I will send to you the video, okay? Goodbye. See you. Thank you.
Bye.